Hey, so lately you've probably been hearing a lot about quantum everywhere in regards to online security. Most people won't ever go looking for this setting if they're running NordVPN. So this is one of those quiet, small upgrades that puts you ahead. You don't really need to understand quantum, you just need to turn this setting on and know that you're future-proof protected. So inside Nord, there's a setting called Post-Quantum Encryption. If you do anything financial online on your computer, banking, shopping, crypto, this is really worth turning on. And just as that extra layer of protection. So here's how you get there. You're going to go into settings, go into general, and then switch on post-quantum encryption. That's it. This helps protect you against the next generation of hacking, and if you keep your VPN on all the time, your connection stays protected, even if you're on public Wi-Fi when you're traveling, cafes, hotels. If you want simple step-by-step help like this, you can find my cyber self-defense classes and replays at learn.techretaries.com. And as always, be kind, be patient, and restart. Thanks for watching.